When it comes to social networking on the internet, many people are using Twitter. In part one of this series, speaker, author, and consultant Bernice Ross has some tips to aid your tweeting.
Whether you're an experienced Twitter user or you're new to Twitter, one of the best ways to have a great Twitter experience is with a system called TweetDeck. And TweetDeck makes Twitter easy. There are several things I really like about this system, and it's my favorite way to see Twitter from my computer. First of all, it displays your replies, your Twitter feed, and your direct messages in 3 separate columns, all there on your computer so you can easily see them. You're not having to navigate back and forth. Also, it provides another 7 columns where you can track, for example, real estate foreclosures or short sales and see the live Twitter feed as it's occurring. One of the other things I really like about TweetDeck is that it automatically shortens the URLs that you would normally have to type in by hand and shorten somewhere else. So that makes your Twitter experience even more simple. Better yet, when you post a tweet, you can also post it at the same time to Facebook simply by checking a box on TweetDeck. So it makes it really simple and efficient to do your tweeting for both Facebook and Twitter in the same place. One of the other things I really like about TweetDeck is that it makes retweeting really easy. All you have to do is click a button. So if you like to retweet, send direct messages, or do all the other functions that you can do on Twitter, TweetDeck makes it really easy. Another great Twitter tool is called Who Should I Follow? WhoShouldIFollow.com actually goes into your Twitter address book and it looks at the kinds of tweets that you're following with your friends, and then it makes recommendations of other people who are writing on the same topics. It's a great way to expand and to find more people to follow who share the same interests that you do.
In part 2 of this series, Bernice will offer additional tips for tweaking your Twittering. Thanks for joining us.